to use a sledgehammer to crack a nut.
Are you ready?
Time to crack a nut with a sledgehammer. Hopefully the sledgehammer is strong enough. Let's try that again. Yeah, I was not successful. That means you use more power than you need to solve a problem. You use more power than you need to solve a problem. This is too big for this. So it's too much power. Now I will give you two examples of how to use this idiom. Example 1. Using 100 police officers, 100, to catch one boy driving without a helmet is like using a sledgehammer to crack a nut. Why? Because you don't need 100 police officers to catch only one boy, right? It's too many. Example 2. To buy 25 suitcases for a 3-day trip is like using a sledgehammer to crack a nut. Because who is going to use 25 suitcases in 3 days? Maybe there is someone, I don't know. But in my opinion, it is like using a sledgehammer to crack a nut.
Using a sledgehammer to crack a nut.
Use a sledgehammer to crack a nut. ตรงกับสำนวนไทยว่าที่ช้างจับตั๊กแตนหมายความว่าลงทุนมากได้ผลตอบแทนน้อยไม่คุ้มค่าไม่คุ้มค่าไม่คุ้มค่านะไม่คุ้มค่าเลยไม่ไหวแล้วที่ช้างจับตั๊กแตนอันนี้ไม่ใช่ช้างนะยีราฟจับตั๊กแตนน่าจะคุ้มค่าบ๊ายบาย